I am Slinger Jansen. I'm an assistant professor at Utrecht University, where we research the worldwide software ecosystem. The problem we are looking at is the fact that there is, in the world, a lot of software being developed, and a lot of problems enter this software ecosystem. For instance, vulnerabilities, ransomware, small bugs, and this problem is so large that society really suffers. Sometimes the trains stop driving, the factories can't work, and companies are no longer making money because of these problems. Yeah, so we take as a starting point the worldwide open source ecosystem. We have collected all the open source software code that's publicly available, and we've created a database where you can very fast find fragments here. So we're asking companies to take their software, to compare it to our database, and then we tell them where the matches are, so where they can potentially find vulnerabilities, bugs, and other problems. So we collaborate with the software improvement group. Normally we would say one company has one database of software and they compare it to our database. However, the software improvement group looks at software of hundreds of companies worldwide. So they also have hundreds of databases. So the software improvement group for us is the ideal partner. And luckily they are in the same country as us, so we can collaborate with them. So the next step for, if we succeed in this HiTMaT initiative, our next step will be to write a larger research proposal that focuses on this collaboration. And furthermore, we will also try and develop small pieces of the software because, our software also needs to be built and improved. So the software improvement group is an ideal partner for us. Normally we would ask one company to compare their software to our database. However, the software improvement group looks at hundreds of databases of software from companies. So they are an ideal partner for us, and it's great that they're in the same country as us. So we will be working together with them quite intensively. The next step in our project, in this HiTMaT initiative, will be to write a larger project proposal. And also keep developing parts of the software because we also need to advance our software.
I'm Xander Schrijen. I'm a researcher at the Software Improvement Group. At the Software Improvement Group we analyze clients' source code, and this project is interesting for us for two ways, because we can find vulnerabilities both in the client source code and in their third-party dependencies. We already have tooling in place to find vulnerabilities in client source code. But with this project we could take that a big step further. The Software Improvement Group can be a good partner for Slinger, because the vulnerabilities that he will find in open source software can also be found in commercial software, and we can check that. This project can also be a benefit to society at large, because the Software Improvement Group has hundreds of clients, both government and industry, and they can be helped by finding vulnerabilities in the source code.